Alright, I'm going to show you how do you get the owner of an NFT on Solana using the blockchain API. So the first thing is we're just looking at SolC. SolC is an exchange in Solana. We're looking at NFT on SolC, and this is Moolah Monkeys 1765. And so the first thing we're going to do is first let's just go over the documentation for the blockchain API. And if you scroll down to Solana NFT, there's a get owner of an NFT endpoint, and then from there you can see Solana NFT slash network slash mint address slash owner. That is the URL for the endpoint. So you basically just make a GET request to this, and you get the information back. And the information that you have to provide is just the network and the mint address. So because we're on SolC, we already know the network is mainnet beta, so that's easy. It's either going to be mainnet or devnet. And then the other thing we need is a mint address. This is different from the mint authority. So we're going to get the mint address here. So the first thing to do this is most exchanges, if you're doing this on exchange or whatever, just click view on Solana, and it'll take you to explorer.solana.com where you can see the NFT. Okay, and then on there, this is the address of the NFT. This is the mint authority. This is not what we want. We want the address of the NFT. So that's the mint address. Okay, so now that we have all the information we need, the last thing we need is I'll just do a couple things. So first, we're going to be using Python. We're going to be using this Python example, basically. And the first thing we'll need is an API key pair. So just get one here. So it'll take you to the dashboard. You'll have to sign in with Google, and then you just create an API key pair, and then we'll just copy and paste it into this. So let's just copy and paste into our tutorial here. So we'll deal with that in a second. All right, so now that we have the key pair, the second thing is that we're going to need to install the blockchain API Python wrapper. So we can do that a couple ways. If you're using PyCharm, you just go to interpreter settings, and you can click plus over here. So this is Python interpreter, and then click plus, and then you can search up the blockchain API, or you can then go to terminal, pip install the blockchain API, but I already have it installed. All right, so now let's now that you have it installed, the first thing is just from the blockchain API import the blockchain API resource, and then also Solana network, because we're going to need both. All right, and so resource is this is just initializing the class with our key pair so that it just uses it every time when we make a request. So just copy and paste what we just retrieved from the dashboard into this initialization, and then we're going to just make the function call. So get NFT owner, mint address is what we retrieved. I'll put that in a second. And then the network we already know is mainnet beta. So this should be it. All right, and then we just need the mint address. So again, that's this right here. So copy that. All right, so now it retrieved it, and now if we go back to the Explorer and we go search this address and we go tokens, there it is, Moolah Monkeys 1765, and that is the one we have here. So because that's token holding, so we can see this address definitely owns the token. We confirmed it on the blockchain. So yeah, I actually just made this video. I had to redo it because it was paused. I was very confused, and I think it literally had just sold in between when I made the API call. So it was for the same NFT. So yeah, so I'm glad this is clear now. The next thing is, let's see if we can see it on the Explorer. So this is the NFT. If we go here, it says there's a transaction 9 minutes ago, and it exchanged hands. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what messed it up. Okay, and one thing you'll notice is it says the token. See, it says +1. So this is the token address. This is what moved. You know, this is the moolah monkeys. Okay, it says +1. This is not the address that we have over here. Okay, this is different. So the reason for that is that this is actually an associated token account address. So when an address owns an NFT or any other token besides Solana token, like Sol, it basically actually sort of has ownership over a different account called an associated token account, which then owns that token. So this token account must therefore then be owned by, see this one? This owner over here. Okay, so that's everything. And yeah, thank you. And if you have any questions, comments, feedback, feature requests, happy to hear them. Please join our community, and thank you. Happy to have you.